Now we're going to walk through the steps in the process to activate your Panamera using the QR code. The first step in the process here is to choose your language. For this video, we have it in English. A QR code will appear on the screen. Take the camera on your mobile device, hold it over the QR code, and select the link. It's best to go ahead and make sure you are connected in your My Porsche app and completely logged in. Now check your My Porsche app and see if the ID matches the QR code ID. Select Confirm. Now you'll hear a series of things. Your radio will come on and it'll usually be static because it pulls an FM station. CD codes will change. There's the static. All you have to do is turn that back. You can log in with a security code, you can log in without a security code, or automatic. If you decide to choose login with security code, it's going to prompt you for your security code every time you turn on the car. The easiest way for logging in will be automatic. Select it. Now you'll enter your security code. This is the same security code you used when you activated your My Porsche ID. Now you'll select Next. On this screen, we're going to disable privacy mode. This allows the car to speak to your My Porsche app. Going to disable. Now we're going to select Next. On this screen, it's going to ask, would you like to use online voice recognition? And would you like to activate with Hey Porsche? I would suggest to do both. For online voice recognition, it chooses a much larger database of things to choose from. And then activate with Hey Porsche allows you to say, Hey Porsche, change the temperature, and many things along these lines. After you've selected this, hit Accept. Now we're going to connect our phone. Let's search for a device. On your mobile device, go to Settings, and then Bluetooth. Going to select your phone. On the screen, select Pair. Allow your favorites to sync. Select Allow. Now you can see that my phone has been connected. Select Next. Porsche wishes you a safe journey. You'll select Finish to complete the activation process using a QR code.